Video of our just-in 2021 Yamaha AR250 Jet Boat. Only 71.5 hours on each motor, 71.5, 71.6 to be exact. Just wanted to let you know that it has not been cleaned up yet. Plenty of storage space in it, plenty of cup holders too. This one also has storage. More storage area. Even more storage area. At the helm you have a remote for the radio, your controls, more cup holders, more storage for your bottles, kids' toys, two I believe they're 180 horsepower each. Yamaha high output engines, either 1.8 liter, interstate batteries, all the electronics nice and clean. Of course, does need a detail. Plenty of seating. Comes with a rooster. You also have more cup holders back here at the transom. You have a remote for the back when you're hanging out at the sandbar. More storage down here. Oh, forgot to mention there's also storage on the floor up there, which is huge. Might as well show it to you. Put a bunch of fishing gear in there.